Most traders lose money because they trade against the trend. They see a market moving up, but they try to sell it. In this video, I'm going to break down the current USDJPY chart using my Renko strategy and show you exactly what the market is doing right now. If you understand this analysis, you will start seeing the market the way professional traders see it. My analysis is very simple. I only use 4 confirmations. First, the Renko trend. Second, the white and green moving averages. Third, the Ichimoku scanner. And finally, liquidity behavior in the market. These 4 confirmations help me filter bad trades and only follow the real trend. Because the biggest mistake traders make is fighting the trend instead of following it. Now look closely at the Renko chart. You can clearly see that the Renko bricks are forming above both the white and the green moving averages. According to my system, when Renko is above both moving averages, that means one thing: it is a buy-trusted trend. This means the market is currently bullish and buyers are controlling the price. When Renko stays above the moving averages, I avoid selling the market. Instead, I focus only on buying opportunities. Another important thing to look at is market structure. On this chart, the market is forming higher bricks and the pullbacks are very small. This tells us that the trend is strong. When the market makes small pullbacks but continues upward, it usually means buyers are still dominating the market. This is what we call a healthy bullish structure. Now let's look at the Ichimoku scanner. The scanner shows USDJPY inside what we call the B zone. This zone often represents a continuation phase in the market. It means the market is consolidating before another possible move in the same direction. In simple terms, the market may be taking a small break before continuing the trend. On the right side of the chart, we can see the projection tool. This tool is estimating a potential move of around 216 pips. But before the market makes a big move, something usually happens. The market often creates a small pullback to grab liquidity from traders. This is what many traders mistake for a reversal, but in reality, it is just the market preparing for the next move. Now look at the momentum indicator at the bottom of the chart. You can see that momentum is starting to flatten slightly. This tells us the market may slow down temporarily. But slowing down does not mean the trend has reversed. It simply means the market might pause before continuing. So, what is the smart trading plan here? Instead of chasing the market, we wait for a pullback. If the market pulls back but Renko remains above the moving averages, that means the bullish trend is still valid. Then we look for the next buying opportunity. This approach helps us avoid emotional trading and only enter the market when the probabilities are in our favor. However, there is one situation where the trend would change. If Renko breaks below both the white and the green moving averages, then the system switches from a buy trend to a sell trend. But right now that has not happened yet, so according to the system, the market remains bullish. USDJPY has been very strong recently, and strong markets often continue moving in the same direction for longer than most traders expect. This is why following the trend is so important. When you follow the trend instead of fighting it, trading becomes much simpler. If you want to learn more about the tools and indicators I use for my analysis, check the link in the description below. These tools can help you analyze the market faster and trade with more confidence. And if this video helped you understand the market better, make sure you like the video, share it with another trader, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.